So to kind of summarize this, it would be 69 weeks until Messiah. This Messiah would be cut off after the 69th week, which means during the 70th week at the midpoint. Messiah would cause the sacrifices to cease, doing so by becoming the last sacrifice. This prophecy was about the coming of the Messiah and what he would do when he got here, and not about some future Antichrist. Okay, the prophecy goes on to say, "And on the wing of an abominations will come one who makes desolate even until a complete destruction. One that is decreed is poured out on the one who makes desolate." This is talking about what is going to take place because the Jewish nation did not accept their Messiah. It is referring back to the last verse and the total destruction of Jerusalem and the temple. So for these reasons, I am not expecting this type of Antichrist to appear, one that would make a 7-year agreement, but I am expecting a leader of the Beast of Revelations to emerge. He'll be the leader of the 8th head on the beast, and a head represents an empire. And this will be an aggressive empire with a twofold goal: to rule the world and to destroy both Christians and Jews in the process. So thank you for listening, and God bless.